What if I told you the same technology behind ChatGPT could write emails, create videos, help students study, build businesses, and even code websites in seconds? That technology is called an LLM, and chances are you're already using one without realizing it. So, what is an LLM? LLM stands for Large Language Model. Sounds technical, right? But here's the simple version. An LLM is an AI system trained to understand and respond like a human. It learns from massive amounts of text across the internet: books, blogs, articles, conversations, websites, and more. That's why tools like ChatGPT can sound surprisingly natural when you talk to them. Think about it like this. Imagine someone spent years reading almost everything online and could instantly answer questions, write content, explain topics, or brainstorm ideas 24/7. That's basically what an LLM does. You type something like, "Write me a workout plan," "Help me study for a test," "Create a business name," "Write an Instagram caption," and the AI responds in seconds. Here's the crazy part. LLMs don't think like humans. They predict what words should come next based on patterns they learned during training. Kind of like super advanced autocomplete, but on a massive level. For example, if you type peanut butter and most humans would say jelly, an LLM works similarly, except it's trained on billions of examples and understands context way better. That's why it can hold conversations, explain complex topics, and even sound creative. Some of the biggest AI tools today are powered by LLMs, including OpenAI ChatGPT, Google, Gemini, Anthropic, Claude, Grok. People use them for school and learning, business and marketing, writing and research, social media content, coding, customer support, and everyday productivity. But here's the truth. Nobody talks about enough. AI is powerful, but it's not magic. LLMs can still make mistakes or give wrong information confidently. So smart people use AI as a tool, not as a replacement for thinking. The best results happen when humans and AI work together. And honestly, we're only at the beginning. LLMs are changing how people work, learn, create content, and build businesses faster than ever before. The people who learn how to use AI now will probably have a huge advantage in the future. So if you've been hearing words like AI, ChatGPT, or LLM everywhere online, now you finally know what it means. Follow for more simple AI explanations, tech updates, and tools that can actually make life easier. Visit now. www.toolmodo.com